lucky days for me because I'm here at one of the iconic places in Mumbai, Copper Chimney, a brand which was started 45 years ago. I'm here this afternoon at the Kalaghoda outlet which has just opened recently, and I'm certainly looking forward to my exciting lunch with biryani, tandoor, grills, kebabs and all things nice that Copper Chimney is so synonymous with. So this certainly is a special lunch. Do come along with me and be a part of it. When you're at Copper Chimney, you can expect the very best of Northwest frontier cuisine. My meal this afternoon certainly looks like a feast fit for the kings, or queens perhaps. I'm having a paneer parda biryani, a signature dish of this place, the tandoori fire chicken, which is their little twist on the tandoori chicken, and my dessert, which is the almond firni chikki crumble. It certainly looks appetizing and I'm really hungry. The chefs at Copper Chimney never cease to amaze or surprise me. This tandoori fire chicken here certainly has an element of surprise. A good amount of cheese that is inside this, which really gives it an excellent flavor. The rustic yet tandoor flavors of this dish are truly lip-smacking. Well marinated, grilled to perfection, these pieces of chicken are absolutely succulent, melt in the mouth and so well spiced. I'm loving it. Who would complain on having a vegetarian biryani for a change if it is so fragrant, flavorful and aromatic? I'm certainly not complaining. Cooked with the dum technique of cooking, where all the flavors are sealed and intact, this biryani is truly unparalleled, and for the first time I'm really enjoying a vegetarian biryani as much as I enjoy a non-vegetarian one. Surprising, isn't that? Almond chikki firni crumble is certainly not your run-of-the-mill usual firni. Of course, the core of the dessert remains the rice-based firni. The rest of it really imparts interesting textures. The strawberry, the chikki, which gives it a nice crunchy taste, almonds, and all these melange of textures really add to the experience of this firni. This one is certainly not an ordinary one. From cello kebab to a slow-cooked run, from chole, paneer, mushrooms and delectable desserts, you can possibly find everything that you crave for on the menu of Copper Chimney. Abounding in vegetarian options, of course, this place is known for its tandoori, grills and kebabs. I've had a wonderful meal with my biryani and the roast fire chicken. The taste still lingers on my taste buds. Of course, I'm greedy and I'm going to be savouring my dessert. My meal at Copper Chimney Kalaghoda today was a memorable one. It is a brand many of us have grown up with and is synonymous in Mumbai and in other parts of India. It was an absolutely delightful meal, steeped in tradition with fresh ingredients, home-ground spices and chefs cooking which is totally unparalleled. If you enjoy watching Mini's Food Fundas, do subscribe to my channel.